Hey guys, so now we will going to teach you how you can create your Google Ads account. Okay, so basically you can just read some few notes over here. Okay, but before that, let's just go to the Google Ads website and let's try to create the account. Okay, then we will going to understand the things in a more better way. Okay, so what you guys can do is that on your browser you can just search for Google Ads. Okay, click on enter button, and after that you guys will going to see we will going to have something like this link, that is ads.google.com. okay, so you just have to click on this button, just click on this button, and after that you will basically going to land up to the Google Ads website. Very simple. In case if you already have your account, so you can simply log in. But before that, I just want to tell you something. Okay, that it will be very better that you follow some requirements. That means you should have one Google service account. For example, in my case, you can see that right now I have this Google account. So when you will going to have your Google account, it will be more easy for you to create the Google Ads account. Okay, but you can just go to ads.google.com. Awesome. Or you can just if you have a Google account, you can just click on this 9 dots, and from here just scroll down, and then you guys will going to see this Google Ads option from here. Okay, so it will also going to take you to the same place over here. So from here what you guys can do is that you can just click on this start now button. Just click on this start now button, and then it will going to take you to this place where it will going to ask you to put the details. Also, let me just show you what I mean to say. If you just click on this 9 dots, so from here also you can just go to the Google Ads. Okay, for example, if you click here, it will also going to take you to the same place over here. In case if you already have account, so you can just click on the sign in button. So whenever you want to visit to Google Ads next time, kindly click on this sign in button, and when you will going to sign in, so you may have multiple Google Ads account. Okay, so basically there is one topic called as Google Ads account structure. Okay, so Google Ads account structure has basically three things. If you will just scroll down, that is campaign, ad group, and keywords. Now what are these? But before that, understand that you can create multiple Google Ads account. For example, here you can see that I'm trying to click on new Google Ads account. Okay, but if you come here to this place also, so it will be considered as a new Google Ads account for you. For example, if you just click on, let's say, new Google Ads account, okay, create a new Google Ads account, so also it will going to take you to the same place from here itself. Okay, let's wait for a few seconds. Awesome, you can see again it has taken you to the same place. Awesome, right? So that is what I just want to teach you, that now when you will going to create your Google Ads account, so it will be now your Google Ads account. That means now, right now, in simple terms, you are basically creating Google Ads account. Awesome. Okay, so let me just put this to the red color so that we can identify it. Okay, so we have basically created the Google Ads account, and from here you just have to put the details, but at bottom you guys will going to see not ready to create a campaign. So from here you guys can click on this skip campaign creation button. So just click on this skip creation button, and then it will going to ask you to put your billing country. So you can just choose whatever you want your country to be in. Okay, for example, I will go with the India because I am from India. But of course, if you also want it to go to be in some other countries, you can also do that as well. Okay, so that's totally up to you. Then second thing we have is the time zone. According to your country, you can choose the time zone. And from the currency, let's make it to US dollars, but I will suggest you guys to put the country currency which you guys have on your country. Okay, for example, I will just go with, let's say, there are lots of currencies I have. I will go with the US dollar, because right now for teaching purpose I am just creating this account. So most probably dollar is, I guess, common in worldwide. Okay, so that it will be more better for you guys to understand the concept. Okay, you can also change your billing country as well if you want to. For example, if you want to go with the United States, you can, but for now I will go with the Indian country, billing country as India. But the currency I will going to use in my Google Ads account will be US dollars. Okay, and here I will not going to suggest you to take the guidance, because inside this course I will going to try to make you guys expert by teaching you everything about Google Ads. And if you try to go with these people, you can, but after the course it will be helpful for you. Otherwise you don't have to go. They will only going to guide you the basic things which are not necessary. Okay, so just click on this submit button. Okay, just click on the submit button, and then you guys will going to see explore your account. So just click on the explore your account. Okay, so you can see that now we have created the Google Ads account, totally complete fresh look. You guys can see we have totally complete fresh look. And at the top here you guys will going to see your Google Ads account ID, okay, which is 777902. So in my case this is my ID. So basically you can see if I just paste it here. Okay, now if I just try to open the Google Ads website again, click on enter, just go to the first link from here. And now if I again just click on the sign in button, so now you guys will going to see this 775 will also be here. So you guys can see 775-902-8327. Okay, we have this account over here. You can see 902-8327 is here. Okay, so whenever you want to come to your Google Ads account, so select this account from here, and then it will automatically going to lend you guys to here. Okay, but in case if you already have only one Google Ads account, so it will automatically going to redirect you to the one Google account you have. Okay, which is here. Okay, so let's now make the things very simple. So we have basically taught you how to create your Google Ads account, and now we have successfully have our Google Ads account. Okay, and our Google, in my case my Google Ads account number is this one. So if you go and ask for any help with the Google team, so they will going to ask you to provide your Google Ads account number. So in that case you have to give this. Okay, so keep that thing in remember. Okay, so now if we just talk about the Google Ads account. Okay, so basically if we just go ahead with the requirements, so you all know that we have created the Google account. Now the next thing is that you should have one payment method. So basically in your billing you guys can set up your billing details. Okay, so we will going to do that later on, but right now I just want to tell you is about the navigating the Google Ads interface. So if we just talk about the dashboard, so here you guys can see we have in the overview. So basically this is the dashboard, you can say over here. Okay, and the second thing we have is the reports. So basically first of all, dashboard will going to give you the overview of campaign performance metrics and insights. Okay, so you guys can see as it's in overview selected. So from here you can see the snap or summary of what is happening with your advertisement or campaign. Okay, and next is we have is the report. So it will just going to help you to get the in-depth campaign process. Okay, So basically if you just go to insights and reports, so you guys can see about all the different reports from here. Okay, and then we have the tools and settings which are bit important. Okay, so please access to the various tools for keyword research, ad creation and more. So if you will guys, we're going to see over here we have tools, and inside tools we have lot many things. So if you just talk about the planning, so basically under planning we have various tools like keyword planner. Now this will going to help us to know which keyword we should use to show our advertisement. If you guys remember that we have told you that with the height increase example, that you just have to select some keywords like how to increase height. We can select another keyword, how to increase height in 1 week, how to increase height after eating. So these are all the questions, or you can say keywords, right? So how to get the very best keywords, that is what it is possible through the keyword planner. So keyword planner is one tool that will going to help us. If you will select this, so it will take you guys to the keyword planner tool. Okay, so it will basically going to help us to see which keywords can give how much performance. Okay, we will of course going to discuss about that in later, but right now I'm just giving you a basic concepts or basic overview. But for each and everything we will going to go ahead and discuss in very in-depth about each and every topic. Then we have the performance planner. Okay, so it will just going to help you to plan your performance. Okay, so all these things are different stuff. We will going to talk about them later on. Okay, you can also maintain the audience manager as well, and reach planner also we have. Now what are all these things, we will going to discuss that in later on. Okay, and then we also have this app advertising hub. Okay, so in case if you want to run your advertisement on apps, okay, so how you can just do each and everything, so that is possible through this section. Okay, then under our shared library we have audience manager. So from here we can build audience, we can exclude some list. Now whatever I'm saying, you guys might have some problem in understanding each and everything, but do not worry, as the lectures will going to go on, we will going to give you with the live practical examples so that we can make you guys understand each and every topic. But just for a small idea, just understand what are the different features and functionality we have inside the tools. Okay, then we have exclusion, brand list, assets library. So here you can upload all the videos and images which you will going to use for your campaigns. Okay, so for that we have this asset library. So you guys can see, you can upload all your videos, images. Okay, so that you can even reuse it in future. Okay, then we have the content suitability. Now what are all these things, we will also going to discuss that in a bit later. Okay, then you guys will going to see under content suitability we have the expand, standard, limited. Now what are all these things, we will going to discuss that. Then Google tag. So basically, as we have told you that Google ads help us to track the things. For example, in my example I have told that if you guys will going to see in the membership, suppose you go to our website, and if you take membership here, so you can track which people has purchased what items from my website. So for that, this Google tag is very much useful. So basically with the help of Google tag, it will going to help us to do tracking. Okay, so that is what it is all about. Okay, so you guys can see, you can just detect the events and everything. Okay, so we will going to guide you for that in later on. Then we have the troubleshoot stuff, bulk actions. We can just set some rule for our overall ad account. So there are lots many rules, okay, that we can use. Okay, we have some scripts as well, uploads as well, so we can just put some scripts on that basis we can run our ads. Okay, similarly we have some budgets stuff, business data as well. Okay, So all these things we have. And then of course if you just go here, then we have the billing details, which are also very much important. So under your billing settings, you guys will be able to see all the billing related things. Okay, so just wait for a few seconds, and here you guys can see we have all the billing details over here. Okay, so you can just provide all the details, you can add the payment method here, but let's discuss that in later on. But these are all the billing settings we have here. And in the admins we have rest other things. Okay, like account settings, if you want to do some overall account settings, so you can do it from here. Okay, also you have the preferences as well. You have the notifications as well, if you want to let's say on or off some of the notifications, so you can just do that from here. And in the preferences you guys can see that we can set the stuff like time zone and each and everything. Okay, now let's just go to the notifications, and from the notification on your email you will going to get various details. Okay, for example right now you can see by default it's selected that performance reporting. So whatever the performance you will going to get on your campaign, so that email will be sent by Google Ads. Okay, so if you want to turn that off, you can just off it from there. Okay, so similarly for let's say you want, let's say you do not want any kind of a special offer email, so you can just turn that off like this. Okay, but I will suggest you guys to put that on. So these are all the notifications things. And then we have the access and security. So from here you can add other people. For now you can see that I am admin, okay, in my email, and I am the main person. I cannot remove myself because with my email only the account has been created. So you cannot remove yourself who is the main owner, but you can also add other people to your Google Ads account. Okay, maybe you are the owner of this Google account, and if you want to give access to the maybe other people, maybe your marketing team and all, so you can just simply click on the add button. You just have to put that person to whom you want to give access, just put their email address here and access when you want them to get expired. So all that settings you can just do that from here. And then you guys can see we have different rules. Okay, so to whomsoever you want to send the email, so what access type you want to give, email only, billing, read only, what. Okay, so for example if you select email only, so people can only view reports we have over here. Okay, and if you choose the billing option, so people can just view the billing information and edit the billing information. If you choose to read only, so people to whom you will going to give access, they can now view your campaigns. Okay, they can view the billing details, they can view the reports, they can edit the reports, they can view users, they can add email only users. Okay, and in standard you will going to get more functionality over here. Okay, and if you can also give admin access to others as well. So admin access will going to get all this access, okay, to all these things. Okay, so you just put the email address of the person to whom you want to invite. Just put the email address. For example, let's say if I put abc@gmail.com maybe, or any email, so that and then just select that and just click on send invitation. The invitation will be sent to that person, right? So that is what about these settings. Then linked accounts, so you can just link your other accounts maybe. Okay, for example right now you guys can see that we have 2 users in my Kuku Courses website. One is from the United States right now, and in the past 14 days I have got this much users and conversions on my website. Okay, so all the details you guys can collect. Okay, basically what you guys can do in the product, here you guys can see the linked account. So here my friends, what you guys can do, you can just add or connect your YouTube account, right now we have, you can see Google Analytics account. Okay, you can also integrate your Google Analytics account. So whatever performance you will going to get, how many traffic are going to your website, all the details will be stored inside, let's say, Google Analytics. Okay, so basically for that all these stuffs are very much useful. We will going to discuss that in later on, but these are all the in basics settings you will going to see over here. Then you have the search functionality. If you want to search for something, you can do that from here, and here we have the appearance. Okay, if you want to refresh something, okay, so you can just do the refresh from here. Okay, it's basically useful when we run campaigns, so every time the budget consumes and performance changes, so for that we just refresh it. Then this is the help feature. In case if you want the Google support help, so you can just click on the help option, and from here you guys can see at the bottom you guys will going to get the contact us feature. Just put the question you have, just go to next option, and then you will be going to get all the available functionality. Okay, okay, for example, all these things you can just choose, let's say others. Okay, you can just go to, let's say, next step, and then you will be able to contact to Google Ads support team. Okay, for example, I want for, so make sure that your ad account is, just select the proper ad account. I will select with this one. For now only email contact us feature is available, but sometimes you will going to get the call support as well. So if you will email them with the problem, maybe in future if you face any problem, maybe you have some glitch, or maybe there some feature is not working for you, so you can just simply contact Google Ads team and they will going to reply you back. Okay, and then we have all the notifications, so new notifications will going to show up here. So in simple, this is all about the Google interface in very nutshell. But as we will going to go ahead with the course, you will basically going to learn very important settings and how to use them inside this particular course. Okay, so hope you guys have somehow understood the concept we have inside the Google Ads. Okay.